Hey there friends, I'm really excited to introduce to you the November 2021 kit and add-ons from Elle Studio. First, let's take a look at the November monthly kit. I always love the November kit from Elle Studio because it's a mashup of the end of fall and the beginning of the holiday season each year, and it really brings the two together so beautifully. These are the die cuts. There's the first sheet, and the second sheet is hidden right here. There's a lot of great die cuts this month. I really love these tabs. Super easy to add to any project. Lots of circles, which I really love. Circles always make for a really fun page. And then there's a whole half sheet of labels there. This is fun, this big black and bold, this story documented. And I also love this check the box, ready for the holidays or not ready for the holidays. That's a good one. There's also this really fun holiday selfie one. Okay, let's take a look at the 4x6 tags. We have the green. I love that pattern at the top. Lots of room for journaling on here, or also great for a title. There's the gray stars. And then this really fun one that has number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on it that you can, add a list. Listing is so great for your document December project. I love lists in that project. Okay, let's take a look at the 3x4s. This blue tag is really fun. It has a lot of great colors in the background. Speaking of lists, we have making a list, checking it twice. There's this fun design. You'll also see this in our document December kit. This was awesome. Love this one. That big and bold fa la la. How great is that? This is a great one to use as is, or you can cut these apart and use like labels that says the details and those Thanksgiving colors on the menu. There's our great holiday colors, and that's what you'll find in our document December kit this year. Those three kind of fall hues. Merry Moment number 1 and number 2. This is a great one, homemade favorite. Love that one. I'll definitely be using that one this year. Joy is, I just love this one as a story starter. I think this is a great way to start a project with this one tag. There's the gray with lots of space for journaling. Finally, sweater weather. I don't know if anyone else has felt that way, but I certainly do. On this day, and then you can add the date there. You can add a sentiment there in your journaling, or a photo in the middle. Currently, in that beautiful yellow, good times, and then a nice solid, well, it's a tone-on-tone plus sign, dark green. So that is the November 2021 kit. Let's take a look at the add-ons. This is always the month that we release our following year calendar products. So first up we have the 2022 calendars. So you'll find a calendar for each month of the year. So if you'd like to add that to your pocket pages, to your traveler's notebooks, this is a great set to have. You'll have that for all of 2022. We also have the month-to-month journaling tags, and I love these because of their gorgeous colors. Look at their colors, you guys. They're just really beautiful. They have a lot of energy to them. They would make for a great little mini album. You could just throw a small 2x2 photo on each one, like kind of the best of the year, or you can use these in your pocket pages for your monthly memory keeping. I just love all these colors. So this one is the month-to-month journaling tags. Next up, we have the November labels that coordinate perfectly with all of the colors in this month's kit, the Christmassy colors and the fall colors. So it's a great set to have, a great label set to have. Next up, we have the stickers, and we're starting with the date label stickers. This is another great product for your 2022 documenting. I love that these are in Roy G. Biv colors. You can easily stamp the date using the mini dated stamp on these, and they have that beautiful smooth finish that you don't have to use a permanent ink with. Just a really, really fun product, the date label stickers. Next up, we have the holiday fun stickers, and these have lots of phrases and sayings, perfect for the holidays, both Thanksgiving and Christmas. So you have Thanksgiving, favorite family recipe, gather together. Then you have these circles, homemade holiday fun. You have merry and bright, warm and cozy, family fun. So lots of great sayings on this one, and I love those colorful circles too. All right, we have Jane tiles in red, you guys. So if you have a Jane tile stash, you're gonna wanna add to it with this one. It's our classic red. Next up, we have this month cardstock stickers. Try to say that fast. So we have these big words, the months, you know, all through both sides, and then we have 2021 and 2022. So if you're still catching up on 2021 and you have to finish your album, you'll get that, and you'll also get next year's date as well. I love that these are white, so that if you do want to color them, that you can do that really easily. Super usable for your year-long projects. These are red cardstock label stickers, so we're coming out with a lot of these different colors, and they're just so usable. Great for stamping, great for journaling on, just anything really. Layering, I just love them. I especially love these little ones. They're just the cutest. Next, we have the white Parker alphabet cardstock stickers. So it's hard to see, but it's the Parker alphabet that you guys all love. I love this one. In all of the alphas, numbers, and punctuation. Then we have the date and place chipboard stickers. So these are in your classic black and gray. They just say date and place. You can stamp, you can write, and they're chipboard, so really fun product. Full of Joy chipboard stickers. I think these are going to be the popular one this month. They are foiled, you guys, so they are foiled with phrases: celebrate, full of joy, Christmas fun, love this, tradition, this moment, and good times. And then the light green and pink are foiled with dashed lines at the bottom of the hearts. So Full of Joy chipboard stickers, I think this is going to be the hot seller this month. Then we have the puffy heart and star stickers in different colors. So we had gold before. Now we have these ones with red, green, navy, black, and that gold color, and white. So really fun colors. I love that these include the outline and the inner. So I just love using those outlines. This is a really fun set, you guys, and I love that it has the dots as well. Okay, I had to get a piece of black cardstock to show you this next product. These are the magical acetate circles. So you have hearts. This one says hello winter, favorite, twinkle, a special day, Santa's favorite, fa la la, move these up, star, deck the halls, cookies and milk. And I love this font too. It's just so fun. Full of wonder, magical, another star, sparkle and shine, joy, peace, and love, the best, tradition, so very happy, good eats, a merry moment, and love this. So that's a lot of those acetate circles in one pack, but what a really fun embellishment, right? I can definitely see myself using this in my Document December album for sure. Okay, we also have 3 new 2022 acrylics. We have a large medium, and small. You can see the sizing here in the palm of my hand, 2022. There's medium, and then large is large, you guys. It's big. It almost fills my entire hand. Pretty awesome though. Love these for adding to my album each year. We also have the Fa La La acrylic, so another fun acrylic phrase. Last but certainly not least, we have 2 new stamp sets this month. We have a Merry Moment stamp. So if you loved those acetates, they have the same style on the Merry Moment stamp with these 3 phrases: favorite, love this, and good times. You have those awesome stars that you saw on that 4x6 tag in the kit. You have the number 1 through 5 and that oval shape. You have a little banner with some phrases. There's just so many fun things on this stamp. I love this stamp. Then we also have the monthly number stamp. So this is another great one to use for your yearly projects if you want things to coordinate. But you have these circles with the month. You can fill those in with the numbers below. Then you have the dates all the way up to the years all the way up to 2027, and then you have the months here. You also have fun and fave of star and a heart. So 2 really awesome stamp sets this month. Thank you so much for joining me as I unbox the November 2021 kit and add-ons from Elle Studio. This is one awesome set of products to take you from the thankful season into the merry season. So I hope you guys will check out a subscription. You can cancel it at any time. Click the link in my video notes by clicking that down arrow to see what it's all about, so that you can just realize, if you love Elle Studio products, that you can get this kit every month at the $9.99 price without any hassle. You can cancel at any time. You get to bundle for free, add your add-ons to your box each month. You'll get special perks, freebies, and so much more. So be sure to check that out. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you love creating with the November 2021 kit and add-ons as much as I know I will.